The introduction, rise, and conquest of instructional design and technology. Books will soon be obsolete in the public schools. Scholars will be instructed through the eye. It is possible to teach every branch of human knowledge with the motion picture. Our school system will be completely changed inside of 10 years. Thomas Jefferson was correct to assume that we would make significant progress in the technological world. The past, present, and future of IDT has evolved to increase effectiveness and accuracy. It has expanded from teaching in the classroom to training and education and educating in various fields. IDT is now undergoing analysis that helps researchers understand its effectiveness and need for alterations to ensure proper training and utilization. The definition of IDT has changed as the history of IDT has changed. In the 1960s, researchers concluded that IDT was about the process of learning and understanding technology, not simply the use of it. Robert Reiser, a leading name in the IDT world, defines IDT as the analysis of learning and performance problems, design, development, implementation, evaluation, and management of instructional and non-instructional processes. The focus is on the process and analysis of IDT. The 2008 AECT definition: educational technology is the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological processes and resources. The focus of the definition now also incorporates an emphasis on ethics in IDT. Today's most commonly used organization model in the field of IDT is known as ADDIE, the compass for IDT. It ensures that there will be a successful implementation of instruction and use of materials. It acts as a map of what the outcome should be like and how the user should set out in getting there. ADDIE stands for Analysis, Design, Develop, Implement, and Evaluate. Future trends in IDT are gaming and virtual worlds, tools for e-learning, expanding the role for assessment and alternate credentialing, tools for data management and learning support, changing economies, communities of practice. Talk of tools for e-learning and the role for assessment and alternate credentialing are now being brought to the table in the education field. Teachers who are expected to implement e-learning need more effective trainings and thorough follow-ups to ensure their new skills are being used effectively and efficiently in the classroom. Brent Wilson states that instruction is not so much done to learners as it is meant to engage learners in a process of inquiry and activity. The instructor shifts role from sage on the stage to guide on the side, still sharing information where needed, but primarily engaging learners in authentic and challenging learning activities. The ASTD reported that in business and industry, surveys reveal that during the past decade there has been a substantial increase in percentage of training that is presented via instructional media. In comparison, in 1999, less than 10% of the training in business and industry was presented via technology. Today, technology is in almost every aspect and part of business and education. The learner-centered state of mind is what helped make that happen. Much education today is monumentally ineffective. All too often, we are giving young people cut flowers when we should be teaching them to grow their own plants. John W. Gardner. With the right execution and assessment of technology, the future of IDT will continue to blossom and thrive.